Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel, Kevin Rapkoch Fishing. I just caught a 10-pound grass carp on a dry fly. Using my 6-weight fly rod, 10-pound leader, union knotted to my fly line, 8-pound tippet, union knotted to my leader. Length of the leader and the tippet is about the length of the fly rod. Using a black foam cicada for the fly. Guys, nailed him right on top of his head. That was sick. Pretty nice sized grass carp right here, guys. Look at that thing. Got a black cicada on, pitched it right out in front of him, and he hit it right on the drop. This is not going to be easy to land. This is a big fish. Oh yeah, she's not happy. That 10-pound leader and 8-pound tippet, and I'm almost positive this is more than 8 pounds. I'd say this fish is probably maybe 9 or 10 pounds. Not positive, but I do have a scale with me today, so don't want to move too fast on this guy. There he goes. Nice head shakes and runs in them. Oh, this is fun. Yeah, that was a clean eat. Oh guys, that's a big dang fish. Holy cow. Oh, that might be personal best is 12 pounds. Come up. Oh. 10 and a half pounds. I think this net is about, or 10 pounds 5 ounces, so he's right around 10 pounds without the net. It's a good one. There's guys, kind of a gnarled mouth on him. That cicada out of there. Fish. Dang. Here we go. There he goes. There he goes. Look at that. Look at that big fish right there. slowly as if nothing happened. Nice, guys. Take that, a 10-pound grass carp on our 6-weight fly rod. We'll take that. Heck yeah. All right, everybody, hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.